Yoga for menstrual cramps or pain by Atma Yoga. Baddha Konasana opens the hips and pelvic region, provides relief from menstrual cramps. Sit with your legs straightened, bend your knees, bring your heels towards your pelvis area. Don't force your knees down to the ground. If you feel any discomfort or pain, just place blocks or pillows under your outer thighs. Make sure your spine is erect. You can take the wall support. Hands in Chin Mudra. Do normal breathing. Stay 2 to 3 minutes and relax. Supta Baddha Konasana helps in relieving menstrual cramps by enhancing blood circulation to the reproductive organs. Keep 2 pillows on the mat. Lie on your back on the pillow, your legs extended and hands resting by your side. Bend the knees, bring the soles of the feet together at the center. Edges of the feet should be resting on the ground. Stretch your hand outward and breathe in and out slowly. You can keep the blocks or pillows under the outer thighs too. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes. Wide knee child pose. It calms your brain and relieving stress and anxiety. Place the pillows on the mat. Spread your knees widely and feet together. Slowly fold forward. Support your torso on the pillow. Place your cheek on the pillow and hold the pose for 2 to 3 minutes. Cat cow stretch. Gently massages your abdominal muscles and stretching your back. Get on the floor on your hands and knees. Place your shins and knees hip width apart. Head in neutral position. Inhale, drop your belly. Take your chin and chest out and upwards. Gaze towards the ceiling. This is cow pose. Exhale, move your belly towards the spine, round your back. This is cat pose. Inhale to the cow. Exhale to the cat pose. Repeat this for 5 to 20 times. Supine twist stretches and strengthens lower back to ease cramps. Lie on back, extend your arms out, bend your knees, take your bent legs over to one side, turn your head to the opposite direction to your knees. If you want, you can place bolster or pillow between your thighs. Then swap sides. Stay on each side for up to 2 to 3 minutes and then slowly relax. Janusirasasana. It supports reproductive and digestive system, relieves anxiety, fatigue and cramps. Extend your left leg. Place the soles of the right foot on the left inner thigh. Place the bolsters across the extended leg. Fold forward and place your torso on the pillow. After resting there for 2 to 3 minutes, slowly come back and set up for the other side too. Alternate nostril breathing. Release stress and tension in mind and the body. Sit in a comfortable posture with your spine erect. Left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril. Start inhale, left. Close the left nostril with your ring finger. Just open up the right nostril and exhale. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Open your left nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. This is one round. You can repeat this for 10 to 20 rounds. Vardhanasak Mudra helps to prevent excessive bleeding and helps in relieving menstrual cramps. Put the tips of the index and the middle finger at the base of the thumb, and the thumb gently sits on the folded fingers. Stretch out the little finger and the ring finger. Just keep this mudra 4 to 5 minutes thrice a day during your periods and once a day before your periods. You can do this mudra while watching TV or listening to music. Thanks for watching. Please share your feedback in the comment section. If you like this video, like and subscribe Atma Yoga channel.